go ahead and add some claps. We can make some other adjustments as far as maybe adding one of these guys. Okay, so obviously that melody and drop come out of nowhere and you don't want to have it sounding like that. So we have to obviously introduce the melody a lot more gradually. But this section is kind of really focused on drums. So let's take one more listen to how it sounds with the entire intro from the beginning. Sometimes it's a little more enjoyable when you have a little moment of silence with the main drop melody coming in with a filter. So let's see how those sound. For instance, it would sound like with one of these right here. Okay, so you can kind of get where I'm going with it now. So like once you introduce the melody, you know, have just the melody playing is a nice little way to introduce, like, this is the main part. This is where you put your hands up. So yeah, that is pretty much, you know, we could obviously do some polishing once I start messing around with the, just the overall arrangement a little bit. But that will work for now for as far as build up drums and break drums and intro drums and everything. I think that'll be sufficient. We can just kind of move on now to just start piecing piece by piece together the actual skeleton of the track.